Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening this spooky series. Over 60 to collect inside. 2 glow-in-the-dark, 2 limited edition glow-in-the-dark in this. And here are all the characters on the back. For the glow-in-the-dark, I really hope I get, let's see. That guy, maybe? Or that guy. But I also hope I get that guy really bad. Well, let's open it. Sorry if you hear weird things in the background. My cats are over near me. But yeah. Here's my Seabull character. Let's see. He is not one of the glow-in-the-dark, but this is the Seabull character you get. Let's see my other characters. For this one, I got a painting trash character, kind of. Go, kitty, go. My cat's name is not Kitty. I just called him a kitty. My other one, I got like a fly character, which I have a little bat character, or like it's one of those things from Ghostbusters, one of the stone creatures that comes to life. Yeah. And I have this one. I got Astro Trash. Let's see which one of these guys glows in the dark. None of them glow in the dark. If you wanted 2 glow in the dark trashies, well, they're not in it. Lies. I did not get that guy right there. I did not get that guy, but I did get in Astro Trash. Pretty cool. Really, really cool. I wonder what other guys I might want. Comment down in the description down below on which one of these trash you want. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.